You know this song. Just let sing it, Dan.
I'm gonna try it, but whatever. I'm not confident.
You can't touch this. You can't touch this. You can't touch this.
My beauty hits me so hard, making me sweat. Oh my Lord, thank you for blessing me. Put that body around my feet, I feel so good. When you look at those hands and hold me, your lips, good. All that time, you can't touch it. I told you, homie, you can't touch it. Yeah, now. I can't do this. You let me bust that fucking yeah, these secret catch this speed rolling. Hold on, I'm over here. I don't know this song.
Alright, you know what? We'll skip. We'll go on to the we're gonna go on to this one. We'll do this one. We'll do this one then.
I don't know that song. I can't even fake it.
You know this song.
I can't even fake it.
Just think of this.
I don't even know.
Yes, you do.
I don't even know if I can fake this song. I know a little bit of this song. You gotta give me a fucking song I know. I don't know this song.
Yes, you do.
I know the chorus, yeah.
You got it.
I walk along the avenue. I never thought I'd meet a girl like you. Meet a girl like you. With the brown hair, stormy eyes. The candy eyes I like to hypnotize you. Hypnotize you. And I ran so far away. And I ran so far away. For the day. I climb here to believe. A beam of light comes shining down on you. Shining down on you. The cloud is moving near soon. I'm on for the yelling chosen views. I'm roaring chosen views. And I ran so far away. I just ran so far away. I couldn't get away. I never sang a song I didn't know. It's a bullshit right here. Come on, you dirty dance!
Walk and seagulls, baby.
Reach out a hand and touch your face. Slowly disappearing from my view. Disappearing from my view. Reach out my hand. Try again. I'm putting in a beam of light. Beam of light with you. And I ran so far away. And I ran so far away. And I ran so far away. I just ran away. And I ran so far away. And just ran. I ran all night and day.
No, we got one more. And you know what? You got one more and say this is a medley for you. This is your last song, Nate. 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 Nate.
No, I'm not.
Look at her.
I have to at least know it.
So
You know this.
she looks like one of those rap guys.
Alright, she's
Oh my god.
You know.
We are fucking dying over here.
They only talk to her because
Somebody in here for that.
Wait, you just did block us.
Oh, shit. Yeah, I'm gonna rock this song.
Yes.
Look, she's just so
Oh, fuck.
Like big
Once in a cannot lie, some motherfucker can't deny. Bro, I did it with Eddie B. Waiting around that don't make you bitch. Boom! When a pump, those are bitches slow. I'm gonna get your staring. I'm gonna get a kiss, I'm staring. Yo, baby, I'm with you. And take your picture. Something that bud makes me so horny. Papa screws you, ain't girls average bed. You need, ain't that ever screw really. I see you dead. And with the man, Turn back, he ain't gonna something. Ain't gonna let nothing. Shake that healthy butt. Baby, your back. Baby, your back. Baby, your back. So everybody's handle. I wanna get a ooh, bring loud dog. You can put that in noise. I like them real thick and juicy. You find that juicy double. Mix a lot of trouble, mix it on the trouble and double. Looking at that rapios, they checking that hole. Yeah, big rolls. I keep women rolling like mojo. Bro, that's just sister picture. I wanna get in the picture. I can't give her that.